In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $2,000 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ApexMaker X1. The ApexMaker 3D printer is a cutting-edge, high-precision machine designed for professional-grade printing. It offers a versatile slicing thickness range of 0.01, 0.3 mm, and features auto-leveling capability, providing enhanced printing accuracy. Operating with an English language interface and a maximum printing speed of 180 mm/h, the printer is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen for seamless operation. With a bed temperature range of 45-60 degrees C and compatibility with Chitubox, Pro, and Lychee Slicer Slice software, it supports file formats including STL, OBJ, and .slc, and utilizes UV-curable resin filament. The printer's precision is an impressive 46 ohm, achieved through its advanced LCD molding technology and a voltage range of 110-220 V. It interfaces via USB and is CE certified, meeting high industry standards. With dimensions of 548,440,862 mm, a net weight of 44.5 kilograms, and a gross weight of 60 kilograms, the printer offers a generous build volume of 353, 28,198.72400 mm. Its 16-inch monochrome screen boasts a resolution of 8K, 7680*4320, ensuring exceptional visual clarity. The printer comes pre-calibrated from the factory and features a 405 nanometers light source, high-speed TSP film release, and automatic resin feeding with resin tank heating for precise and consistent printing. It supports connectivity via Wi-Fi and USB, making it a comprehensive and efficient solution for professional 3D printing needs. Number 2. 3D Wax Printer. The Jewelry 3D Wax Model Printer is a precision tool designed for jewelry manufacturing and 3D modeling applications. Originating from mainland China, it operates at a voltage of 24 V with a power rating of 120 W and a production capacity of 100 sets per month. The printer offers a molding range of 130 x 72 xh 180 mm and a molding speed of 15 to 30 mm/h, utilizing LCD surface molding as the forming method and a molding band of 420, 405 mm. Controlled by a Linux system, it features intuitive touchscreen operation and supports data formats such as STL and SLC. Compatible with high-strength resin, pourable resin, elastic resin, and temperature-resistant film resin, the printer has compact dimensions of D, 270xW, 270xH, 402 mm, and a net weight of 12 kg, making it a versatile and efficient tool for jewelry design and production. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max. The Guer 3D printer, originating from mainland China, offers a maximum printing speed of 1060 mm/h and operates within a voltage range of 110-220 V. With a precision of 6480360 px, it supports a maximum print size of 30.029, 8*16, 4 cm, and is CE certified, meeting high industry standards. This printer does not feature auto-leveling capability and is designed to deliver reliable and precise 3D printing performance for various applications. Number 4. Sunlight One Professional 3D Printer. The Guer brand 3D printer, originating from mainland China, operates within a voltage range of 110-220 V and holds CE certification, meeting high industry standards for quality and safety. This printer is designed to deliver reliable and efficient 3D printing performance for a variety of applications. Number 5. Flashforge Guer 2 S3D Printer. The Guer Y2S 3D printer by Voxelab, originating from mainland China, offers a comprehensive set of features and capabilities for industrial large-size 3D printing. With a build volume of 280,250,300 mm and a layer resolution of 0.05, 0.4 mm, it provides precise and accurate printing, supported by a positioning accuracy of Z-axis 0.0025 mm and XY-axis 0.011 mm. The printer operates with a filament diameter of 1.75 mm plus +0.07 mm and a nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm, achieving print speeds ranging from 10 to 200 mm per s. It supports a variety of input formats such as 3MF, STL, OBJ, and more, and is compatible with operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Weighing 30 kilograms and featuring a full metal frame design, the Guer IUS ensures stability and durability during printing, with the capability to resume printing from power failure. Additionally, it offers high-temperature nozzle assembly, multiple filament compatibility, and supports continuous printing for 800 hours without failure. The printer is equipped with a range of features including auto-leveling, a camera, and a filter fan, and is certified with CE certification, making it a reliable and versatile 3D printing solution.